And worried about COVID cases going unreported, the Maharashtra government has asked officials to monitor sale and the use of self-testing kits. District and civic corporations have been asked to work with Food and Drug Administration to rope in chemists and educate the users about the need to report the COVID cases. Mumbai civic body BMC is likely to come out with guidelines for at-home kits today. Meanwhile, this is not just the case in Maharashtra. There are several cities across the country, including the National Capital Region, which have seen a surge in home testing.
पिछले 2 हफ्ते से ये देखने में आया है कि लोगों ने जो है अपना सेल्फ टेस्टिंग करना शुरू कर दिया है और अपने घर पे ले जाके किट से टेस्ट करते हैं और अपलोड नहीं करते हैं। अभी नए इंस्ट्रक्शंस हमने दे दिए हैं कि जो कोई डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर को भी दिया गया है, मेडिकल स्टोर को भी दिया गया है, जो कोई किट लेके जाता है वो किट ले जाने वाले ने जो भी पॉजिटिव आया या नेगेटिव आया उसको अपलोड करना है और उसकी जो है यादी हमारे महानगर पालिका के जो पूरे मुंबई शहर में वार्ड है उसको दी जाएगी, जिसमें 24 घंटे जो हमारे कॉल सेंटर्स काम कर रहे हैं वो उनके ऊपर नज़र रखेंगे। अगर कोई पॉजिटिव आया तो उसको इलाज की ज़रूरत रहेगी तो उसको इलाज के लिए ले जाया जाएगा और अगर वो बाहर निकलने की कोशिश करता है तो हमारे लोग उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई करेंगे।
And in Gurugram, while the sale of rapid antigen testing kits have seen a jump, the health department has said that there is no way to track the cases unless the patients voluntarily report them. As a solution to this, companies making the kits have started sending data of the users directly to the ICMR portal.
Yes, it is a concern because currently if you see there is a rising trend that is seen in the home testing kits and the positivity through those is also increasing. In fact, the numbers are rising nationally is what our sources have told, that the testing kits which was the number, the home testing kits which were which the numbers were somewhere in 2000 in December's last week. Now it has gone more than 10,000 is what our officials have told. And in fact, this concern that some people might not tell that they are positive is being ruled out by the ICMR because the application-based home-based testing tells ICMR of positive cases only after the confirmation from the consumer who is using it. So somewhere on ground the officials are saying that the lapses are not there, but yes, there is an increasing trend of using the self home testing kits which are available in the market.
Mirror Now spoke to infectious diseases expert Dr. Ishwar Gilada about the concerns over the self-test kits. Dr. Gilada said that over 95% people are not reporting the self-test data to the ICMR, which is a cause of concern.
How will you like to respond to the new testing guidelines that have come? Do you believe that these have also been made to decongest the labs which are under a lot of pressure right now? Scientifically, does it make sense to not test someone who has come in contact with a COVID positive patient? And how do you really ensure that this 7-day quarantine is what that person is going to follow?
Hina, basically is a good guideline. We have been demanding for a long time. It should not be what you call law specific. It should be individual health specific. People should be able to test at the comfort of their home. If suppose a symptomatic person goes to a health setup, will be risking to other people also. And if a symptomatic person is going, he may pick up infection from there also. So I think it is a good guideline. Secondly, we have been demanding that such kind of testing should be allowed at home. But there is a double standard with government. That initially when the home testing kit was launched, it was said that there's a QR code there, you need to scan it, it will be uploaded on ICMR. But currently 95% or over that people are not doing any scanning, they are not uploading. So it is just going unreported.